Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So now page 13, line 7, 8 and 9. After this, then we're going to be ready to move on to lesson 7. Okay, so starting with line 7. So this is a lam with a fatha, so la. This is a ba with a kasra, so bi, labi, tha, labitha. It's wa. This here is a lam with a kasra, so li, wali, ya, waliya. And make sure you do the correct way of spelling. First letter, second letter, join them all together. New letter, join them all together. So la, and try to say the qi. La, qi, laqi, ya, laqiya, ya, di, yadi, ya, yadiya, ta. Now here, this one line, dot at the bottom, b. So it's a ba with a kasra, b, tabi. Then it's an ayn with a fatha, a, tabi'a. That line is done. So now pause the video and then practice this line 3 times. Once you're ready, move on to the next line. First letter is a lam with a fatha, so la. Then it's a ha with a dhamma, hu, lahu. Then it's a wa with a fatha, wa, lahu wa. Next is a alif with a dhamma, but this actually is a hamza. The rule is you're going to learn that later. When an alif has anything on it, either fatha, dhamma, kasra, it's actually a hamza, but we're going to ignore that for now. We're going to call it an alif still. So alif with a dhamma makes an u sound. Then so kha, this is a full mouth letter, and that is a full mouth letter. So alif, dhamma, u, kha, u, kha. Try read it with the full mouth, kha, ra, u, kha, ra. Try read the ayn properly and the qaf properly as well. So the 2 hard letters. So u, qa. So ayn comes from the middle of the throat, and the qa has a q sound. U, qa, uqa, di, uqadi. Next one, u, fu. Circle with the dot on top is a fa. So u, fu, ufu, qi. It's a hard letter. Ufu, qi. Next to ru is full mouth. Ru, su, rusu, lu, rusulu. Okay, that's that line done. So now pause the video and practice this line 3 times. Make it perfect. And once you're ready, move on to the last line. Okay, so now here, this line, each box has 4 letters. So there's nothing to worry about. All you have to do is practice spelling it out like we've been doing so far. And then everything will become easy. So once you break something down, it becomes very easy to do. If you try to do it all in one go, then it's very hard. So like we said, first letter, then you say the second letter, then you join them together, then you say the new letter, you join them together, say another new letter, then you join them all together. So let's do the first one. Wa. 2-line letter with a dot at the bottom. So ja, waja, da, wajada. Then say kaf with the fatha, ka, wajadaka. Making sure you don't stretch any of the letters, make them all very quick. Wajadaka. Next one. So the ayn is a hard letter, so I'm going to underline it. So ayn comes from the middle of the throat. A, da, ada. It's a lam with a fatha. La, adala, ka, adalaka. And if halfway through spelling you get stuck, then all you have to just start again and then try spelling it out. So if you get to the end and you can't say the whole word together, then all you do is stop and then you start again. Start the spelling again. And then you'll get it. Eventually you'll get it. Next one, so the kha is a full mouth letter. Kha, la, khala. Then it's a qa with a full mouth. Khalaqa, khalaqa, ka, khalaqa, ka. See the difference between the 2 qafs? Khalaqa, ka, khalaqaka. So make sure you don't stretch any of the letters, make them all very quick. Next one, this is a 1-line letter with a dot at the bottom, so it's a ba with a kasra, so it'll be bi. 1-line letter, 2 dots at the bottom, so ya, biya, di, biyadi. Make sure all the letters are very quick. Biyadi, ka, biyadika. Okay, so that line is now done. So we completed page 13. So pause the video and practice all these lines 3 times each. Make sure you know them perfectly, so you can say your test to your teacher as soon as you go to class. And then if your teacher thinks you're ready and your teacher has tested you in lesson 4, 5, and 6, and you know everything perfectly, only then you'll be ready to go into lesson 7. But if you're making mistakes, or your Fatha, Dhamma, and Kasra sounds aren't quick enough, then you're going to have to revise before you move on to the next lesson.